All right, so here's what we did. We went and put some lubricant around our transaxle seal. All right, put it around, just a nice little bite. I also found out that if you have a 36 millimeter socket, it actually fits right on the inside of this. So bam, see that? So what you want to do is go ahead and slide this on the transmission, and then so you can make sure you get an even push in, go ahead and put this on and then push with your hand here, and you'll get a nice even push into the axle area, which we have done so here already. Yeah, good to go. Now let's go ahead and put everything back together and do the other side. And there we are, it's back in. New seal. Everything's bolted back in. Good, everything's locked in. Throw the tire back on. Maybe do the other side today. Pretty easy job. All is good. Well, hopefully it's good, right?